to make a data table is to draw the headings first and to draw the lines second. So we'll start out, we have to know what our variables are. So first would be the independent variable, and in this particular experiment, it would be sunlight. So we're gonna say sunlight, and the units will be hours. And then we're going to be measuring the plant height. So plant height would be over here. Plant height. And the units for plant height will be centimeters. Now we know that we need to have 3 trials at least. So I'm going to spread them out between this heading. I'll start with the middle one, is going to be trial 2. Then I'll go over here and put trial 1. And then over here is trial 3. I also need to have a derived quantity. In this case, we'll use an average because that's what we graph. We always graph the average. So I'll say that we'll have average plant height, and again, the units are centimeters. Okay, so I can do my first line, and I'm going to draw it underneath all of these column headings. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line to separate my columns. Then I want to separate my trials, but I just draw a line in between those first column lines, and then I can make columns out of my trials. Then I need to have at least 3 different versions of my independent variable. So let's say we're going to divide it up with 3 hours of sunlight, 6 hours of sunlight, and 9 hours of sunlight. And so then I can draw my rows for those. And then the last thing you need to do is just box it in. Don't forget, for a data table, you need to have a title. And the format is the effect of the IV on the DV. So it would be the effect with an E, it's a noun, of sunlight on plant height. That's it.